Assalamu alaikum. Hello and welcome to Food Passion with Kulsum. Today I'm sharing a very delicious, yummy and tangy recipe of Achari Baingan. It's very easy to make and very delicious. So let's check out the ingredients to make this delicious Achari Baingan. 250 grams of brinjals. I'm using small ones and I have cut them. I've given them slits. 2 medium-sized onions finely chopped, 2 cups of tomato puree, 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoonful of red chili powder, 1 teaspoonful of coriander powder and half teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds, quarter teaspoon of nigella seeds, that's kalonji, quarter teaspoon of methi seeds, half teaspoon of fennel seeds, half teaspoon of mustard seeds, quarter teaspoon of asafoetida, that's hing, and 3 dried red chilies. 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, half a cup of cooking oil, and salt as required. To make Achari Baingan, first we'll add oil. I've heated a pan and here I'm adding half a cup of oil. Into the oil we'll add all the whole spices. These are the basic spices due to which the pickle flavor comes into the brinjal. So let them fry. So now as you can see, all these spices are nicely fried. Now I'll add the onions. Saute the onions for 2 to 3 minutes till they turn soft. Alright, now the onions have turned nice and soft. You can make this without onion also, but I like it because it gives a nice body to the gravy and a very amazing taste. So now we'll add 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste. Saute it for a minute. Now we'll add salt. Add salt according to your taste. To this now we'll add the tomato puree. Well, here I'm using at least 4 tomatoes which I've pureed. So I'm going to cover this and let it cook for 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes and our tomato has been cooking. Alright, now I'll add all these spices, give it a nice mix. Okay, and while it's still nice and liquidy, what we'll do is now we'll add our brinjals. To this I'm adding the red chilies which I have cut into 2 pieces and the white vinegar. Instead of white vinegar you can add tamarind pulp, you can add amchur powder, you can add whatever you like to make it sour. Okay, so I'm going to put the flame on low, mix it nicely. So these are going to turn very soft and mushy. These are going to cook in steam, so no need of adding water. Alright, so just cover it. This will take around 10 to 15 minutes till it's totally done. It's almost 15 minutes, so I'm going to check. Alright. The gravy is just perfect. So I'm going to check whether the brinjal is done or not. So here I'm using a knife and yes, it's all done. See how easily the knife is getting pierced inside. Alright, if you wanted more mushy, you can keep it that way. So you can just garnish it with some coriander, and our Achari Baingan is all done. Alright, our Achari Baingan is done, and you can serve this with roti. I hope you like the recipe. Don't forget to hit the like button, share with your friends, and do subscribe to my channel. For more such recipes, stay tuned. If you have any requests to make, please let me know in the comments box below. Do take care of yourself. Until my next video, Allah Hafiz. Bye.